How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up MetaTrader 5 and make sure to log in with your account. Once you have logged in, now you have to navigate to three-line icon from the top right corner. There at the top, you will have an option as manage account. Tap on it. Then from there, tap on this plus icon. You will land on this page. Now you have to search for your broker. Tap on find broker and now search for your broker. For example, I will go with Paperstone. Then tap on the broker account name. After that, you will land in login page. Now you have to log in with your existing account with the broker name. First of all, type in your login ID and then your password, and after that, simply tap a login button. After that, you will be logged in with your account, and your broker is now connected to MetaTrader 5. So that's how you connect broker to MetaTrader 5, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.